Today we'll talk about how can you enable order updates notifications on your SeatGeek app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, click in this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You come here to order updates, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come to show notifications, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as main order updates notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.